Hello, inflatable fans, and welcome to the fourth, is it the fourth? Yes, the fourth paddling camp, group paddling camp. Rough paddling, Mr. Jon Ruffles, he's pitched up behind me. I've moved the YouTube wagon here, Riddick, and I think I'm going to pitch up in this area here. I'm going to use a tent tonight rather than sleep in the van, I think. I brought one with me, so why not? Right, things are starting to take shape now. Got the shelter up, and inside the tent I'm using, remember that timber ridge bed I reviewed? Yeah, I'm using that tonight. I've decided to sleep in the tent tonight. Got the bedding from outside the car, from the car, to use in the tent. Nice little table. Fifi LaBelle's just rocked up. He's just moving his car around and setting his tent up. Mr. Rough paddling, he's got his boat inflated over there. Might go out for a cheeky little paddle, don't know, just had my first beer. It is 10 past 12. Got to be done, hasn't it? Grandad's here, setting himself up. I think Kathleen is down there somewhere in a caravan or something. We might be going out for a little paddle in a minute, I think, just to test the water. Right, the machine's here as well now, so we're just lugging the boats down to the water down there. We're going to go for a little splash about. Look at that, done like a pro. Seasoned. What do you reckon to my new drinks holder, eh? How cool is that? Oh well, first little outing of the camp and paddle in a new location. Oh, it's nice to be out in this Aquatec Ottawa again. I've been out on it for a while. Forget how nippy it is. Hey, look at that, sun behind me, my favourite thing. There's the boat that this boat beat. Horrible, this, horrible. Another horrible day out on the water. Look, he's doing it, he's watering his gills, look, watering his gills. Up on the bank there, just out of view of the camera, you've got Fotheringhay Castle, or what's left of it. It's basically a lump of rocks. And I think that mound there, I think that's part of it, that you can see that lady walking down. There it is, look. Fotheringhay Castle. Don't I just bring you to all the best places? Mersey Beat. It's weird, isn't it? Two boats together. Well, this looks like a ruddy horrible area. Yeah. Ruddy horrible. Oh look, there's a willow. You know I like a willow. Woo! Ow! I've just hit a stump. Underwater cabbages.
Any little cash things around here?
I haven't had a look yet, but I will be having a look to see if there's any Pokemon, as Dave calls them. Isn't that a lovely little bridge? We're just looking at it from the other direction now. It's lovely, isn't it? It's a charming turn of phrase.
Oh, very good vocabulary.
Just don't use it.
I do love the colours of that paddle. So yeah, this is Fotheringhay Bridge that I'm about to crash into. Oh, dragonfly. That'd be an awful place to live, wouldn't it? Crap! Crap! Oh, little pigeon. Pigeon's just landed on that tree up there. Pigeon that looks like a little bit, it's a weird looking pigeon, looks a bit like a hawk. Little kestrel, isn't it? Or is it a sparrowhawk? Could be a sparrowhawk. Can you see on that branch up there, look? Some nice little glamping areas on this site, look. Bit of chop slap on the hull. Hello. River hooligans. It's crap here. Crap, I tell you, crap.
Nice, isn't it?
It's lovely. I've not seen any of these kind of bluey reeds before.
No. There's some proper black ones near the bridge. Did you see it?
Yeah. We're just talking about these. They're like a bluey colour. My dad used to do stuff with these, and I'm not quite sure what I can't remember what he used to do with them. They've got like a spongy interior. Can you see that? Anyway. Some signage up here. Elton Boat Club, no turning point. No canoe portage at Eton Boat Club. This little stretch twists and turns nicely.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Look at those trees over there.
See, it says no portaging, but it don't say no mooring. So we might be able to pull up and fucking still go in the boat club.
Go for a beer.
Yeah.
You bring your wallet?
Yeah.
Anyway, where's your hat? Where's your hat?
Yeah, I'm getting some fucking sun on the solar panel.
Yeah, look at it round here. It's lovely. Don't have wind. It's all little bends, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is a brave man and he's smoking a roller. Mind you, some would say brave, some would say stupid. I'm just not that judgmental, but...
Not on camera anyway.
Dragonflies all over the place flying around here. Oh, swans! Swans!
Where?
Just round that bend. Yeah. It's alright, Phil, sort them out. They're alright if they haven't got young. They won't have young at this time of year. Yeah, he's not bothered. Got no young. So this must be Elton Boat Club at a guess. I don't know what makes me think that, but this must be it, I'm guessing. Look at that cool little boat. How neat is that? All those reeds in the water, look.
Yeah, it's like the redneck old maid thing, really.
Yeah, look at that. As Fee calls it, a little redneck boat. Lovely little stretch, this. And that one's got the propeller in the wrong place. Yeah, I know, daft sod. I think there's a weir further up here. Didn't realise that was going to be a poem. Danger Sluice. Yeah, there is something going on up here. I think we've reached the end of the line for this little trip. Launch point there for boats. Looks like an old launch. I think this is why it says there's no portage here. Because there's nowhere for you to get through. And underneath there, the water's running off just underneath there. Some kind of single prop plane.
swan. You stroke it.
Look how majestic it was.
You stroke it.
No, you stroke it.
You do it.
No, I'm not stroking it, you stroke it.
You do it. What a stupid idea. There's some dynamite here. Go and lick it. Put it in your mouth. See if it goes on.
Stroke a swan. Go on, stroke that swan, Fee. Oh, it likes you. It's blowing you a kiss. Make yourself look big. Always make yourself look big. Make yourself look big. You notice how it backed off when I did that? There, just taking off there, just moving there, yeah. It's a red kite. That took off from the bank. There, just above those trees. Can you see it? Coming back in.
Big fuck of that, isn't it?
Have you noticed the crows trying to have a go at it?
Yeah.
Claygon's on the... No, I'm not doing that one. Copyright, copyright. Oh. Here we go.
There he
You can
is.
feel it take up the strain.
There's the weight.
Right, now if I just grab onto...
Right, there we go. We've got tension now.
He's got hold of me. John doesn't know he's pulling too.
Is that hard work?
Good, because you're pulling two of us. I think I'm going to have a swim. Good work, that man.
Hey, you took me out. Enough.
That's enough, that's enough, that's enough, that's
I was
enough.
trying to get you so you could swing your feet out.
Hold him, Steve. Hold him.
Hold him as well.
When he gets his feet on bank.
Come on, you pussy.
Climb up your boat. He's got it. Climb up your boat.
Climb up your boat, yeah.
Can't.
Go on.
Onto your knees, onto your knees.
Gotta get on my knees.
Don't act
There
like
you
you
go.
can't get on your knees, John.
Get on your knees.
Right, we love this little location, but the in-out point is a little bit tricky. I think I'm going to go up where Fee is. I'm going to ride it up there, because that looks a little bit smoother there. How are you getting out, Raph?
Gonna climb out sideways.
Climb out sideways. Sit to the back. No, don't, no, hang on. I want to see if I can do it, because I think I can do this.
Well done, Carl.
There, that wasn't too bad at all, actually.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
Showing you up, didn't he, John?
Oh, you're out. I'm glad I haven't got any of this on film.
Have you got it all on film?
It's recording.
Yeah, but it's easy. It's not a challenge. Give me a challenge. Give me a challenge.
Right, Grandad's off for a paddle. We've got Catherine and Stephen, who are new. Jim over there, he's new. We've got the Geordie boys who are pitched up right over there. But anyway, we've got to go and watch Grandad try and get in down here, because this is going to be a laugh. But we're not going to laugh. It's going to be good. Oh, watch your skeg. Now he's got this kind of canny technique as Grandad here, look, with his guy lines that he's attached to the side of the boat, which is quite good, and a dog lead.
Check it out. Over there.
Look at that. Create some stability. That's not bad, that, is it? Go for the far side. That's it. Look at that. Dead sweet. Nice one, Grandad. Right, Jim's going for it. Oh, made it. Oh, did you want this?
Never
Only made it.
Like a government
I
type.
don't think
You don't have to, but they do recommend every 2 years to have an habitation.
Dave's on posh stuff over there, look.
Hello.
So we've got quite a group now. Nun's chuff, Grandad, 80 quid, new boy, the machine, rough paddling, also known as Swan Dodger and Fifi LaBelle.
I would not accept that.
And then over yon side, we've got the Geordie boys, and further down the field we've got Catherine and Steve. Surprised I remember the name. I've had a few beers.
Put the breed onto the road.
Got a nice little sunset going on over there. It's not particularly dramatic, but it's just pretty. Got a bit of fire action going on. Fees on the flames. Grandad's got his fairy lights on. Disco over at Grandad's tent.
Have some, mate. Have it. Have it. Go for it.
Grandad's tent.
Let's get around the corner.
Huh?
One is actually their job is to oppose the other.
Yeah, man.
If they say right, they have to
It's not bad.
Straight up, Duke.
That's how you do it. Yeah.
What are you doing now?
He's f***ing at it. He's
Oh, because Grandad did it. I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
Oh, camera friend. Oh, YouTube.
Yeah, he's gonna do it.
Oh, YouTube friend. Followers.
Well, we've had a good night, sat around the fire, talking crap, and it's time to settle down. Gobbing off still. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this. See you all for part 2. You know what to do about the whole like, subscribe thing if you like this stuff. You take care. See you soon. Cheerio.